guys, Dylan here with Northern Eclipse Outdoors. Got a camping trip coming up. I'm leaving on Saturday, so we're gonna put the camper on and yeah, get the truck and everything ready. Okay, so now we're gonna load the bike up. I got the Ultimate MX hauler. I gotta put that on the hitch receiver. I haven't put the bike on this with the new bumper, so it's gonna be a little bit higher. I think it sits about 8 inches higher than the stock location, so it's gonna be a little harder getting the bike on. I do have some ramps. I'm gonna try and use one single ramp to roll the bike up and then drop the front wheel down. You'll sort of see what I'm talking about. Hoping it clears with my steps on. That was kind of the whole idea of this, is to offset the steps so that it still works out with the bike. So yeah, the dirt bike rack there, we'll own the receiver. It sticks pretty far out, so we'll install that and see how it goes. There we go. So it's got this little collar on the inside with a threaded nut. And this is just like, this bolt goes through the whole thing and tightens it down to one side so it doesn't bounce around. Okay, and then there's that little clamp ring to keep it from rattling. Honestly, this thing doesn't really help a whole lot, but you tighten it up anyways. Got this pin, pull this pin, and this whole thing swivels down, so I'll show you that. This pin release that. And then I should be able to just release the bottle jack. This whole thing comes down. So you can see how high I'm gonna have to get the bike. Like that's that's a lot. I used to be able to just lift it on, lift half of the bike. Like the back tire, I'd be able to lift it up and get it on there, but that's too high. I could try it, but I'm probably just gonna end up hurting myself. So what I'm thinking is using one of my dirt bike ramps. It's got this little strap here just to pull it against whatever you're loading, so the ramp doesn't kick out. Hopefully I don't embarrass myself on camera. Okay. Just like that. Well, if that wasn't sketchy, I don't know what is, but it worked. There we go. Okay, that's basically where I want it. Ridiculous. It's gonna be frustrating to have to do this every time. I'm gonna have to find a better way, or I'll just get better at it. Yeah, basically, that's pretty much it. I just need to kind of wiggle it back to where the peg bolts through. It's good. So yeah, the pegs basically are what holds it down. It goes through there, through these holes. Some wing nuts on the bottom. And then there's also one little ratchet strap that goes from here up to the handlebar. Keep all the dirt bike stuff in my toolbox here. Everything should be in here. All my first aid kit and stuff. So these are the guys I'm talking about. They go through the foot peg. There you go, that bolts down with one wing nut. I really hope this fits so I don't have to take it off again. Ah, there she goes. Now just the ratchet strap on the front. Okay, so I got my ratchet strap on right there. Goes down to that little anchor point right here. Anchor point, little ratchet strap. And now I need to jack this thing up. Now I basically just need to pump that bottle jack up and you'll see what happens. So that is its final spot. So you can see how much higher that is. Well, you never saw it before, but you can at least see how high it is now, how much clearance I got on the back. And it looks like my stairs are gonna clear. Oh, perfect. So now, even with the bike on, I can still pull the stairs out. You know, I can access the camper. Still got lots of room to access it. Like, I can pull the stairs down, step up inside. I did not think it was gonna work out that well. I usually just give this a little snug with this bar. I'll get it from the other angle. So not crazy tight, but just give it a little cinch. And then I can put my stairs back. It's honestly perfect. Now that it's a little bit higher too, you can still perfectly see my license plate. Before you couldn't really see it. And also my rear view camera was right in front of that rack. So now I've kind of offset it on the bottom there. So I got plenty of room to see through my rear view.